Okay, Jenny, today we are going to make watermelon juice. Watermelon juice. Okay, so yummy. Okay, so first we need, what is this? Watermelon. Watermelon. Okay, next we need a bowl, and then we need a shape cutter, and then next we need a masher. Next we need a strainers, and we need a cup. Okay, now we already put the teacher's cup. Now I need Journey to mash the things. Okay, alright, let's see the first one. Shape cutter. Can you find where is the shape cutter? Okay, and Jenny put here. Shape cutter. Can you put here? Put here. Shape cutter. Okay, we got shape cutter. Next we need our, what is this? Masher. Can you find where is the masher? Okay, match it. Jenny, match it. Match it here. Masher. Oh, you already got the next item. What is that? Watermelon. And then we got a bowl. And then a strainer. Okay, next one. We need a, what's the next one? We need a cup. Very good. Okay, first step. We need a plate. Okay, we got a plate, and then we need watermelon. Okay, put it on the plate. On the plate. Yes. Okay. Next, we need a cutter. Can you take a cutter for me? Whoa. How many cutter do you want? 1, 2, 3, 4. So many cutter. Okay. Okay. Let's shape the watermelon with the shape cutter. Okay. Press it down. Very good. Then you have to push it out. Push. Very good. You have a circle. Do you want to show? Circle shape. Circle shape. Push. Very good. Almost there. Yay! Got a J. Push it aside, and we need a bowl. And a strainer. And then, very good. We are going to put the watermelon into the strainers. Okay. Next one. Oh yes, the remaining watermelon, we don't waste it. We can cut it. Okay. Let's put the remaining, put inside there. Strainer. And this one put aside. Okay, next we need a masher. Masher. And we're gonna mash the watermelon. Mash. Press. Yes. Press it. Press the juice out. Press. Very good. Yes. Press. See? Watermelon juice is coming out. Press. Very good. Very good. Mashing. Mash. Very good. Next, this is put aside. Next, we need a cup. A cup. And pour it inside the cup. Careful. Wow, so many juice. Okay, done? Finish. Put it aside. What do you have now? What is this? Water. What is this? watermelon juice. Watermelon. Watermelon juice. Okay, enjoy now.